This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by the Knodel team. Lonnie and Jewell Knodel. This is an excellent opportunity for investor or first-time homebuyer. Located in quiet, beautiful country setting, yet only minutes to shopping and restaurants. Oversized 0.34-acre lot and abutted to farmland. Includes a 16 by 20 workshop and 4-car carport. All appliances included. Open spacious floor plan with living family area. Both bedrooms have walk-in closets. There are empty lots on both sides that will remain empty, and backs to farmland. Updated windows and metal roof. Very nice condition. For more information, review the details below or contact the Knodel team. Lonnie and Jewell Knodel at 503-681-9